I will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Sonic Boom app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps is here, and here you're looking for Sonic Boom app, or just click on search, then here add Sonic Boom, it's going to show for you like this. So then it's going to take you to this is here, click on Forcestop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, you click on it here, click on it on Play Store, then you search for Sonic Bomb, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.